Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you this hybrid RAG agent. So it's a little more intelligent. It's a more intelligent as compared to basic RAG system. So I'll show you the difference. This is the normal RAG in N8N. So we are using AI agents for all this. So this one, there's no vector store. No vector store. So it can handle only a single document with a few pages only. Maybe up to 5 pages. And it can answer accurately based on that. But if you have maybe 20 pages or 50, 100 pages or multiple documents, so this one can handle this vector store. And even the token usage here is whenever you search for data, it is consuming lots of tokens just to retrieve the answer. If you ask the agent, it can reply to you with the higher token usage. So using a vector store, it can lower the usage. But this one, uh, basic RAG, uh, basic RAG with vector store. This is also designed for a single or maybe some 2 or 3 documents. But sometimes it gets an hallucination. It will give a wrong answer. So it's maybe 30% less accurate. And you have the token usage is a medium. But if we are going to use this hybrid, so we have a low tokens usage and the performance is better. So we have more accurate data. Okay. So this one in the future video. So I also prepared this one. So for this video, we only discussing about this hybrid drug because now this I prepared this. This is the ingestion date. Whenever we upload to the Google Documents, Google Drive, we uploaded the documents. It's either PDF, Google Sheets, or Google Docs. So it will be captured here. It will be chunked into pieces. Then we provide context to each one. This is the additional here as compared to the tradition basic rag. So before we put in the storage vector store. So this is the slacks. So we can chat the agent about the details of the file. Then it will reply to our slacks. So in the Google Drive, I have here like a sample condominium house rules. So let's try to automate this to ingest to our vector store. It's loop because it was a chunk here. Okay, we have now the database. We'll go to the database. Let's refresh. This is our knowledge base now. So the AI agent will search here to answer our query. So let's go back here. So this is our query. So we try to execute workflow. So Slack. So can I bring my pets? And okay, AI agent is thinking now. It's retrieving the from the database. It sent now the response. Let's see. Yes, pets are allowed. Pets are allowed. So it answer our query much faster as compared to the other. Uh, as compared to this one, sometimes it takes longer. That's why it's using more tokens as compared to this. And another thing, uh, this RAG system that I make can handle multiple documents and even 20 Google Docs. This is the one I built, so it can handle this properly with low token usage and high accuracy. The speed also is better, and no hallucination, very less as compared to this. They can have hallucination for multiple documents or bigger database. So we have a low token usage and better performance, high accuracy answer. So if we want to delete this, I will transfer this to maybe other folder. Delete. Like we will archive this one. So let's see if it is will function. So execute deleted. It deleted 24 items. Then let's refresh this database. Now it's gone. It's gone now. It's empty. So it's updating also. If we edited the file, maybe we uploaded here Google Sheets or Google Docs and we updated, it will update also here in the database because we assigned a specific ID, so it will detect. So I guess that's it. Okay, next time again.